Hey, hi friends, good evening. Welcome back Sri Krishna Soft Skills. Today we are going to learn a new topic is the parameter. So what is the parameter and how it will work then we will see. So going to the parameter is an option in the Power Query Editor home button, the parameter. So the definition of parameter is it will filter the data dynamically from the source level. So what does it source level? For example, we have a data like three countries data. One data having country data having 350 MB and another is 350 MB and third one is a 350 MB. So if you want to load this data, you have a pro license but could not able to load the data. So that time then you which country data you want to analyze first, then you load this data. So it is not possible another way. So then this is the manage parameter, then you create the parameter for this particular table and then you will able to only the one country data load into the Power BI. Is it possible? How it is possible? Then we will see. So let's get started in Power BI and go to the our regular file, okay, and just open and then select the file and into the Power Query editor, okay. So there we will see the how we will create the parameter, okay. So this to create the parameter, okay, first step is choose the parameter column and add the new query, okay. Choose the parameter column. So which one I want to choose? For example, country, customer country, and go to the as a new query, add as a new query and then remove the duplicates, okay. The first step has gone. Second step is go to the Power Query Editor, it's a home and manage parameter and a new parameter. Go to the Power Query Editor and the home tab and the manage parameter and go to the new parameter. Okay. The parameter name I same given the description. So for example, if you want to create something, then you will create, but right away I did not create anything here and go to the type. So what is the customer country type? Data type is a text, okay. For example, if you suggested value given the any value, so for example if you give the any value suggested value, because of now the UK, US and India is there only for 2 letters, that is easy. For example, the client given like is Australia, some other Canada, some other it is a like long one, then they may not remember every this thing. Because of then we will give the file to the user, they might not remember all those things. So that is the reason you did not select the any value. So if you want to select the list of value nothing, but here then what are the parameters we have in that country, then you give given the like that you will give. So US and UK, now we have only three countries data, okay, that is enough. But in future you have to increase, you have to grow your business in some Germany, Japan and Canada, Australia, some other countries. So that time then it will not work it dynamically. So then every time then you will come and go to the manage parameter and then you will add here, then only it will work, okay. Yeah, now you will go to the query. So when you select the query, so already we have created the customer country is the table in the customer country. If you in future, for example, if you grow in your business in other countries, though those countries will come and sit here, and then whenever you mapping this query to your query, okay, you select the customer country, what are the how many countries will increase the business, then it will come and it automatically dynamically filter the data at the source level, okay. That is the reason just we are suggested value selected the query and then we are mapping the query into the customer query and give the current value in the sum of the any customer country like India I given, okay, and click on okay. Yeah, now you will see the India, but it is not filtered dynamically. So why? So only we have created the parameter, but we are not giving the mapping. So how we will get the mapping? The third step is to mapping. Third step is mapping. So here to mapping the parameter with the main query, choose the parameter column and go to main table and the customer country. So parameter column and filter, okay, go to the customer country and go to the filter and go to the text filter and go to the equal, okay, equal operation. And then you will select the like here the parameter option is there, then you select the parameter one and click okay. So now you see the now I parameter is the value is the India, then the the customer table has changed into the India. For example, I want to change the US, then it will filter by US. Okay, so it is dynamically. For example, I want to UK. Okay, it will change the UK. So you will see here the UK, only the customer country, the UK data. Okay, this is the how you create the parameter. So once you have created, then you close and apply to Power Query Editor, and then the data will come to the Power BI desktop. So these file you have to save in your local folder or your desktop in a PBIT. It is a template file, because of once you will give the this file to the user, once they will open the user, then they will ask, okay, which country they want. Okay, okay, I already came, and then I am going to the file option and go to the save as. Okay, save as the parameter POC. Okay, then which one I want to save? PB80 file. So where I will save? So in the source file, same practice file, then POC. Yes, I saved here. Then here some text. So whatever, whenever opening the time, then it will ask text. Okay, then I close now, but I don't save again. It will ask him Power BI if you want save. I did not save anything. Okay, now I'm going to my folder, and then I open. This is the parameter POC. Just when I open the parameter, so earlier, whenever you open the file, any Excel file, whatever, does not ask like this, because of there is no parameterization. So the entire data will come and load into the Power BI. Now we have created the parameter. So dynamically we are filtering the data here. So here we select the India country and just you load. Here we two options, load and transform. So I selected the load. Okay, then the same file come into the here. Then I go to the transform. Okay, then only the India data come, or all country data come, or just we will check. Okay, just go to this, enter the last customer column, only the India data. So okay, how we are dynamically filter the data at source level. This is the about parameter. Thank you watching this channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and like it and share it. Okay, and in the next class, then we will discuss one more topic. Thank you.